Studies have found that people commonly listen to the first two sentences of a conversation and then miss what is being said next because they start mentally putting together their own response. The art of being a good hearer involves taking time to listen to what the other person is saying. One way you can ensure you do that is by using the paraphrase. Take what the other person said and run it back to them in different phrasing to make sure you understand what they're trying to convey. That gives them an opportunity to correct you if you're wrong, allows enough time to pass so emotional dust can settle, and gives you the chance to form a response. The paraphrase will help you become a better listener. I'm Mac Hammond, and this is The Winner's Minute.